Guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. In today's video we'll be learning where to download PNGs or designs when you are needing them in your project, where to download them. So go to our Chrome. So come down to our Chrome here. The first site we'll be using is Pngwing. PNG. So this is it. To download on Pngwing, you just need to search for anything, something like art. You're searching for art. Note, guys, don't long press when you are downloading on Pngwing, because it will be downloaded as JPEG and you won't like it. So to download, let's assume you want to download this now. You click on it. It has a lot of ads on it, so just need to watch clearly on how I will do it. So this is it. Download PNG. Then you click on download. It's going to redirect you. This way ads will be popping. Here's it. It asks you to click alphabet in order to download. So you click on alphabet. I need to rotate this phone. Click in order BRVX. So this BRV and X. So now I'll be able to download it. Can you see? If you want to download it, then click on it. So you scroll up, you click on download PNG. You wait, you scroll up as well. So download. That's the next site we'll be using is PNG Find. Find. So this is it. This is their logo, P and F. Just click on it. This is it. Let's assume okay, you got splash. Let's assume that's what I want to download. Or mix splash. So let's scroll up. There's a lot of ads here. Just have to be patient. Let's assume. Okay. It's not showing anything here. Just click on color splash or mix splash. Okay. Mix splash. it out, the one you need. Okay, I like this one. Make sure you are not long pressing. If you are downloading PNGs, you are not long pressing. These ads as well. It has a lot of ads, so you just know how to bypass it. This is the one I selected. And this is free download. You can see there's a lot of ads. Free download. Click on free download. See, this is it. Download. You just click on download. Click on free download again. Then it's downloaded on your gallery. The next site we'll be using is PNG tree. PNG tree is a paid PNG site, so you need to pay, but you can download once in a day. And after that day, you need to pay premium if you want to download another thing. But now that we're not, just for the sake of this video, I love this one. Let's download this PNG. I'm downloading PNG. See, it's unlimited. You can download unlimited as low as 0.005. You can do the calculation. Or free download. See what is written under it. One free download left today, meaning that you can only download per day. But if you pay premium, it's very cheap though. It's 0.05 to download unlimited just per day. So you can go and purchase it, but you'll be downloading it for free today. So I'll click on free download. Downloaded in my gallery. So that's how to make the best use of PNG sites, not going to Google or any site downloading images and removing their background. These are quality sites that I will always approve to you guys. If you are new to this channel and these videos or content we are producing here interests you, don't forget to click on this subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and follow us for more. Thanks.